Hello friends, in this video we will learn applying borders in Excel. Applying border style to our data while working in Excel is very important and essential thing. Why? Because if we apply the border to our data will look very beautiful and attractive. But we should know which border style we have to apply to our data. In order to learn to apply the correct border style, we should learn what are the border styles available in Excel and where these options we can find on our Excel screen. So let's learn about this in detail through this video. First, we will see where we can find the border command in Excel. For this, we have to go in Home tab and under Font group, here we can find the border icon. Downward pointing arrow is available beside this border icon. If we click on this icon, we can find almost 13 border styles available in Excel. So we will learn one by one applying these 13 border styles in our video. I have mentioned here screenshot of all the 13 types of the borders like bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all borders, outside border, thick box border, bottom double border, thick bottom border, top and bottom border, top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border. So we will see all these border styles one by one through this video. I have mentioned the type of border on the left hand side, and in front of this I have highlighted each cell with yellow color. So with respect to this border style, I will apply that border style in this yellow highlighted cells. We will begin with the first type of this border, that is bottom border. To apply the bottom border, first we have to select the cell where we want to apply this bottom border. Then go to Home tab and we have to click this downward pointed arrow and click on the bottom border option. We can see that bottom border to the highlighted cell is applied as shown here. Okay. Our next border type is top border. Again, we will select the cell where we wish to apply the top border. Under Home tab and Font group, we will select the option top border. We can see here that border to the top side of the selected cell is now applied. Our next type is left border. Again, we will select the cell where we wish to apply the left border. Then we'll go to the Home tab. Under Font group, we will select the option left border. We can see here that border to the left side of the highlighted cell is now applied. Our next type is right border. Again, we will select the cell where we wish to apply the right border. Under Home tab, we will select this right border option. We can now see that the border to the right side of the selected cell is now applied. Next option is no border. This option we will see at the end of this video. At the moment we will skip this option and we will proceed to the all borders. All borders he is applied to the multiple cell. For example, I have highlighted here multiple cells and we'll go to the Home tab under Fonts group. We will select the all borders. We can see that borders to the all the selected cells will get applied at the same time. Our next part is outside border. Again, here we will select the cell where we wish to apply the outside border. We'll go to the Home tab under Font group. We will select the outside border option. We can see that all the sides of the cells are get highlighted with the outside border. Now our next border style is thick box border. Again, here we will select the desired cell where we wish to apply the border. Under Home tab in Font group, we will go to the thick box border. We can see that the thick box border is applied to this cell. Our next option is bottom double border. Here we will select the cell where we wish to apply the bottom double border. Under Home tab, we'll go to the font group, then select the option bottom double border. We can see that the double border will get applied to the bottom of the selected cell. Our next part is thick bottom border. In this, we will select the cell where we wish to apply this thick bottom border. Then go to the Home tab. Under font group, we will select the option thick bottom border. We can see that thick border is now applied to the bottom of the selected cell. Our next part is top and bottom border. For this, again, we will select the desired cell where we wish to apply the where we wish to apply the top and bottom border. Then go to the Home tab. Under font group, we will select the option top and bottom border. With this, we can see that the border to the selected cell is applied only to the top and bottom side of the selected cell. Now, our next option is top and thick bottom border. Again, we will select the cell where we wish to apply the top and thick bottom border. Then we will go to the Home tab. Under font group, we will select the option top and thick bottom border. We can see that border is applied to the top and bottom side of the selected cell, but we can see the difference here. The bottom border is thick as compared to the top border. And our last option is top and double bottom border. Again, we will select the cell where we wish to apply the top and double bottom border. We'll go to the Home tab, and under font group, we will select the option top and double bottom border. We can see that top and bottom double border is now applied to the selected cell. Now we have skipped point number 5 previously. So we will see what is this no border. Till now we have seen various types or various options to apply the border. But how we will remove the border which is applied to the selected cells? So if we want to remove the borders, we can use this no border option. How to apply this no border option? We have to select all the cells from where we have to remove the border. As I have selected these cells, then we have to go to the Home tab, and under font group we have to select no borders. We can see that all the borders are removed from the selected cells. Now here I have given one example where we can easily identify the difference between the data which is without border and data which is applied with the border. So we can easily identify the difference how the data with border we will look very attractive and beautiful. I have selected or I have mentioned here one data, a dummy data of some 10 students, and the marks obtained by them in the subjects English, Maths and Science. The data on the left and right side of this sheet are very much similar. So first, this data is without border. So what we will do, we will select all the cells and apply any of the border style. Let's say apply all borders. See, if we compare both the data, the data with the border will look very much attractive and beautiful. This is the power of applying borders in Excel. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.